Are you noticing more than normally hair on your pillow? Or are you worried about hair loss? If you are, then this video is for you. It is normal to shed hair between 50 to 100 per day. But when your body sheds significantly more than this, then you can have excessive shedding or hair loss. Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is Dr. Fatima, and today we're going to talk about the best treatments of hair loss. So let's go. The first thing that I want to talk about is zinc. Zinc is involved in the function of hundreds of different enzymes, especially with making proteins. And our hair are mostly made of proteins such as keratin. So without zinc, you might not have great growth in your hair and your hair might not look thick enough. So now we want to know what should we eat to provide our body with enough zinc. A little meat can provide your body with enough zinc to absorb. However, if you don't want to eat meat, you can use dairies instead. Dairies such as milk and cheese have high amounts of bioavailable zinc. That means that the zinc in these products can be easily absorbed by the body. Now we have this condition called telogen effluvium, which is a condition triggered by stress, a shock, or even an intense physical activity. In this condition, your hair are made to fall out or even become very, very thin. So if you go through pregnancy, for example, and you wonder why your hair is thinning, that is exactly the reason. We also had the same situation with the patients surviving from severe COVID-19 infection, where the patients had hair fall after their disease. Having a surgery, an accident, or even an over-exercise, all these things can cause your body to increase the cortisol level. And then this increased cortisol will cause the increased requirement of your body to zinc. And if you are already deficient in zinc, then you're going to have a problem with your hair. The next thing that I want to talk about is selenium. Selenium is a very important antioxidant for hair. Selenium helps to decrease inflammation from your scalp in order to treat alopecia and dandruff. Just taking one Brazil nut can provide enough selenium for your body. However, you can also try fish, chicken, and eggs in order to provide enough selenium to your body. The third important nutrient is folate. Folate is a cofactor for many different proteins in our body, such as the proteins in our hair, our skin, and our nails. So without folate, you're going to have a hard time producing the proteins that are needed in certain parts of your body. If you start consuming salads on a regular basis, then you will definitely have enough folate in your body. You can find folate in avocado, lentils, and different leafy greens. The next really important thing is omega-3 fatty acids, which can be found in salmon and tuna. However, if you're vegetarian, you can also use walnuts and soybeans in order to get enough omega-3 fatty acids. Aside from a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, omega-3 fatty acids can help reducing the hair fall and increasing the hair thickness. The next very important nutrient is vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for producing collagen, and collagen is basically a part of your hair. So without enough vitamin C, you're not going to have enough collagen, and therefore, of course, you're not going to have great hair. But the good news is that we have a lot of fruits that are rich with vitamin C, such as lemons, oranges, and kiwis. The next important nutrient is biotin. Biotin is essential for production of keratin, and as I mentioned, keratin is a part of your hair, so you need enough keratin to have good hair. In a normal situation, your own microbiome can provide you with enough biotin. However, when you take an antibiotic, this antibiotic can kill off all those microbiome, and then you can end up with having not enough biotin and then thinning of your hair and hair loss. You can find biotin in egg yolk, nuts, and seeds, so make sure that you get enough of these foods in case you need to take an antibiotic. As the last and one of the most important nutrients in hair growth, I want to talk about vitamin D. Vitamin D directly stimulates hair growth, so make sure that you get enough vitamin D by taking proper supplements. Also, some people wash their hair way more frequently and it just dries it out and takes the oil out of it. If you're using a shampoo that has sulfates in it, it's gonna dissolve the protein in your hair and takes the oil out of it and leave your hair damaged. So make sure that you don't overwash your hair and make sure that the shampoo that you use is sulfate free. I would also recommend getting a very good conditioner with very clean ingredients and some essential oils which can go into your hair and revive it. That was it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!